Dear students, good morning. Welcome to morning class. Today in your class I am taking your topic, that is report writing. Dear students, we all have to know, before report writing there is the process. The reporter reaches on the spot, he visits the spot where there is any incident, accident, program, function, and he makes notes. And the particular process of making notes is called note making. This note making is also in your syllabus, but I'll take this topic separately later on. Today I'm taking your report writing. In report writing, there are certain points which are to be kept in mind. Today, the first type, that is the report on accident. In accidents, there are road accidents, there are rail accidents, there are air crash and shipwreck and fire accidents. Out of these accidents, maybe any other type of accident, and today I am taking your road accident. Actually, if there is any road accident, the reporter reaches on the spot and he visualizes, he looks into the things on the spot. First of all, for making report on accident, these will be essential points to be followed by the reporter to write report. On which date the accident occurred, at what time accident took place, at which place it took place. It means date, time, place. 3 points. Date, time, place, these are to be kept in mind. And the fourth point, that is accident between. There is a road accident and definitely there will be accident between two vehicles. And which are those vehicles? So accident between. And when accident takes place, just after taking place the accident, then there is the help by the persons from nearby places. Second help, that is help by the government. Regarding the help by the persons, definitely when there is any accident, the persons nearby spot will rush to help the persons injured in accident. And out of those persons, any one of the persons will inform the police, and the police will arrive on the spot. There will also be phone call to the medical department. Ambulance will reach on the spot. So this help is called help by the government. First one is called help by the social workers. And there will also be one important point, sight on the spot. When the accident takes place, then what is the scene, sight on the spot? It means there will be hue and cry on the spot, and the persons will be in injured condition, so there will be bloody sight and hue and cry. So this is called sight on the spot. And the next point, that one is called your loss. In loss of lives on the spot, if there is the accident, how many persons died on the spot? and how many persons were admitted in the hospital with the help of social workers and police. And second one, we all have to know the help which is by the government in it. The injured persons will be got admitted in the hospital, and those who are dead will be also in the process of postmortem. And social workers, those who help, that will be helped by the social workers. Next point, that is your cause, reason, and in this there will be the probable causes. Maybe the brake failure of any of the vehicles, maybe wrong hand driving, rash driving, careless driving. Anyhow, by the mistake of any of the vehicle driver, there will be accident. Accident will occur, and ultimately, after this, we all have to know there will be the present situation. In the present situation, what's the condition of those persons who are injured in the hospital, and if they are getting recovered, are out of danger, or are still struggling between life and death. So we all have to know, I am taking seriously all the points which are to be kept in mind, are to be noted down. First, that is the step of 3 points: date, time, place. Second one, that is accident between. Third one, that is site on the spot. Fourth one, help. In help, first help by the social workers, help by the government, and next one, that is loss of lives, loss of property. Next point, that is of probable causes, and last one, that is present position, present situation. So these are the steps to be followed while writing report in accidents. As I have taken your road accident, let's keep all these important points to write a report on road accident. Okay, students? Thank you.